Holy cow. Good morning, good morning. Just woke up and got these dogs out. Running all over the place. They're having a great time. It was about 18 degrees last night. We have just kind of like a regular down blanket, and then we have a Pendleton blanket as well that we sleep on under. It kept us warm. It was perfect. No complaints there. So going to check out this lake right now. Over here, there's a little opening in the fence, and later probably throw my line out, see if I can't catch a fish, see how that goes. So it's gonna be a good day. Hey Milo. There we are, just right over there.
Peace.
Not about that life.
Nice. Nice knowledge.
Fishing right here where I fished before because the sun was out here all day. Maybe it'll be warmer for the fish. Plus the wind's going the opposite direction, so hopefully catch something. Right. So we're trying out this new spot. It's on the other side of the lake, away from where we camped. It was just so windy I couldn't even get my boards out far away from shore, so this should be a good spot. every single cast.
Sir,
What's up?
did you catch any fish? How's the fishing like here?
No. Normally the fishing's here is pretty okay.
What's this lake called?
Fish lake.
Hmm.
There's no fish here apparently. Only moss. Every cast was moss, moss, moss. Or the wind would just is just blowing my lure back no matter what lure I use. It's getting super windy and then just stops for like a few moments and blows again, so not really having the best time. So we're gonna go find another camping spot to hang out, and I guess we're going hungry tonight. So there's that. Catch you later. Alright, so finally made it to the next camp spot before tomorrow's journey. Well, we haven't decided if we're gonna do it tomorrow or maybe in a couple days. We might do another hike tomorrow. But check this spot out. It's awesome. Look at that. Great views. Of course, we can't forget the Land Cruiser. Let's let these dogs run around real quick.
They're locked in.
Huh?
They're locked in.
You locked them in?
Prison.
Prison no more. Let's go. I don't know if we'll ever use this wood. Had it for like a month. Booyah! Yeah, buddy.
It's Christmas.
Huh?
It's Christmas.
Yes, it is. It's Christmas. All right. Boom. This comes up. I gotta sneak under there. What? Oh my goodness. What a good boy. And that is how you put up the tent. I love it. It's literally so easy. Just like that. You pull out the ladder, unclip it, push it up, and it's ready to go. It's freaking great. Clamshell tents for the win. What are you making?
Rice and cilantro lime chicken.
Rice and cilantro lime chicken. Yummy. Look at that. It's all pre-marinated and everything. Ready to roll. This is King. He's an Australian Shepherd Poodle mix. Cute as heck. That's Milo. He's a Weimaraner. He's pretty cute, but he's insane. Okay, day 2 is done. We're on our way to Escalante. We made it. So we are camped out here at this awesome spot. The rest of this trip to Escalante, I think we're gonna put in another video. So watch out for that. We're gonna be going down the Hole in the Rock trail, which is super cool, all the way down to Lake Powell. But yeah, we'll catch you later. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. And if you like this video, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you.